Oh
The
no.
National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Christian County, Lawrence County, southwestern Greene County, southeastern Dade County until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time,
Oh crap.
severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Miller to near Mount Vernon to near Verona, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Republic, Aurora, Mount Vernon, Marionville, Clapper, Billings, Miller, Verona, Everton, Stock City, Howtown, Hoburg, Chesapeake, Pennsboro. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 40 and 65.
Oh god.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Missouri. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Christian, Dade, Greene, and Lawrence. The National Weather Service